Hello friendship, today I want to share with you how to make Korean water kimchi. So let's start it. First, I want to show you Korean cabbage. I've already cut into bite size the Korean cabbage. So now I'm going to soak it with water. This is 1 cup of water and put into it. Then 1 tablespoon of rock salt and just put it. Don't squeeze it, guys. Just mix slowly because the cabbage are very sensitive. So this is the Korean cabbage, Korean radish. I just need a 1/4 little bit like this size, 1/4. Just fill it, peel. So after peeling, have to slice it into bite size. Like this. And then we also put 1 tablespoon of salt and jump. Set aside all the ingredients. So let's slice it into the edge. Take that. Then like this. Into 4. Slice into 4. Guys, this is an apple, and I never used Korean pear, but I use this apple. Just slice it. Slice it. Just slice the apple and into bite size like this. guys, this is a piece of ginger, and we have to slice it thinly. Garlic.
So I need some carrots. Just make a design for carrots. So our carrots design like this. To make it colorful. It's quite big, guys, so I have to cut it into half.
This is the green onion. So we need some Korean chili, red, and just slice it. So it's already 1 hour. We need to wash the cabbage. Don't press it, guys. For 3 times. Now let's put 10 cups of filtered water into the bowl. 10 cups, guys. So for 10 cups we need 8 tablespoons of rock salt. So this is a clean strainer cloth. I just put kutsukaro. Oh, yeah. 3 tablespoons. And put like this. And then I put here into the water with salt. And slowly I squeeze it. Squeeze it until the color will come out. So you see guys, the color is already red. Yeah, salt water with gocho. So ngayon nililipat ko na yung tubig doon sa lalagyan ng kimchi. Now slowly I will put the vegetables into the water with kimchi, pepper, kutsukaro, water. I put them together, all together. Oh. And now I will put the apples into it. I smell it. And then I put the garlic and the ginger inside of it. And the spring onions. Spread it so it's very colorful. This is ready to eat guys, but now we can add also the chili. And spread it out. Spread. And then if you think this is very salty, a bit of salt, you can add water, and you can put also a sugar in it. You can always add water. So, yan. Pwede nyo rin lagyan ng ng Sprite instead of water para matamis-tamis siya, and also much better kung mineral water ang gamit nyo. So this is all for now guys. Thank you for watching.